It's Great Filippo again, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to download Windows 11 for free. Let's get started.
Please subscribe and like this video.
Just make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Open your browser and then search for Microsoft.com. When the home page opens like this, just go ahead and click on the search over here. Then you will type Windows 11 over here. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now and like this video. Here you will scroll down and then you will click on the first one. Scroll down until you find Windows 11 image ISO. So it is over here. Okay, so here is it. So you will click on the drop down, then you will select Windows 11. Just click on download now over here. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now and also like this video. Then select your preferred language. So you will click on the drop down again over here. Then you select your preferred language. After selecting your language, click on confirm. This version is available for only 64-bit operating system. So just click on 64-bit download and automatically it will start downloading. And it is downloading over here. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bootable USB device.